Hey everyone, welcome back to the Simplify LLC channel. If you're looking to start an LLC in Oregon, then you're in the right place. Today we'll walk you through the entire process step by step so that you know exactly what to do. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you never miss out on helpful business tips. All right, let's get started. Starting a business is very exciting, but making sure your personal assets are protected is just as important. And that's where an LLC or limited liability company comes in. If your business ever runs into financial or legal trouble, an LLC keeps your personal belongings like your home, car, and savings, they keep that very safe. But that's not only the reason to form an LLC. It also gives you tax flexibility, which makes your business look more professional and reduces personal risk. And if you're setting up shop in Oregon, then you're in luck. This state has no sales tax and a strong support system for small businesses. Sounds good, right? Well, let's get into the details. Now, your business name is going to be the face of your brand, so you want to pick something great. But before you go ordering business cards, you need to make sure that your name follows Oregon's rules. Oregon requires your LLC's name to include limited liability company, LLC, or this one, L.L.C. somewhere in the name. It also has to be unique. You can't pick a name that's already being used by another business in the state. And the good news, you can check the name availability online using the Oregon Secretary of State's business name search tool. If your dream name is available, but you're not quite ready to file, you can reserve it for 120 days for $100. And one more thing, before locking in your business name, it's a good idea to check if the website domain is available. Even if you're not planning to build a site right away, securing the domain early can save you a lot of trouble down the road. Every Oregon LLC is required to have a registered agent. This is the person or company responsible for receiving official legal documents on behalf of your business. Think of it as your LLC's go-to contact for important notices. Your registered agent must have a physical address in Oregon and be available during normal business hours. You can either be your own registered agent or hire a professional service. Now, if you want to keep your address private and avoid dealing with paperwork, then hiring a service is a great option. These usually cost between $49 and $299 per year and ensure that you never miss a document. So now that you have your business name and registered agent, it's time to formally register your LLC with the state. To do that, you'll need to file what's called the Articles of Organization with the Oregon Secretary of State. This document includes key details about your business, like your LLC's official name, your principal business address, your registered agent's information, and the names of the LLC's members or managers. You can file your Articles of Organization online or by mail, and the filing fee is $100. If you file online, you can get approval in 1 to 2 business days. If you file by mail, it could take a bit longer. Once your LLC is approved, then congratulations, you're officially in business. Now, technically, Oregon doesn't require an operating agreement, but trust me, you will want one. This document outlines how your LLC will run and helps avoid misunderstandings between business partners. Even if you're a single member LLC, having an operating agreement shows that your business is a legally separate entity. Now, here's what a good operating agreement should include: who owns what percentage of the business, how profits and losses are divided, what happens if a member leaves or a new one joins, how important business decisions will be made. Having everything in writing can prevent a lot of headaches later, so take the time to draft an operating agreement. It is well worth it. So now that your LLC is official, you will need an employer identification number, or EIN, and this is from the IRS. Think of this as your business's social security number. You'll need it to open a bank account, file taxes, and hire employees. The best part is that it's completely free to apply, and you can get it instantly by filing online through the IRS website. If you prefer, you can also apply by mail, but that process takes longer. Now that you have your EIN, it's time to set up a business bank account. And keeping your personal and business finances separate is critical for protecting your LLC's legal status and making accounting easier. Most banks will ask for your EIN, your articles of organization, your operating agreement, if you have one, and many banks offer free or low-cost business checking accounts, so it's worth shopping around to find the best fit for your needs. Taxes are never fun, but let's break it down. The good news, Oregon has no state sales tax, but depending on what your business does, you might need to register for other taxes, such as the corporate activity tax, or CAT, if your business earns over $1 million per year, employer payroll taxes if you have employees, or other industry-specific taxes. Most LLCs are taxed as pass-through entities, meaning profits and losses go directly onto the owner's personal tax return. But you can also elect to be taxed as an S-Corp, which might save you money on self-employment taxes. Talk to a tax professional to see which option is best for you. One last thing, Oregon requires every LLC to file an annual report to stay in good standing. It's due each year of your LLC's formation anniversary, and it costs $100 to file. You can submit it online or by mail. If you forget to file, your LLC could end up inactive or even dissolved. So set a reminder to get it done on time. Starting an LLC is very exciting, but let's be real, it can also feel like a lot of paperwork, and that's where Simplify LLC comes in. We can help with checking if your business name is available, finding your LLC paperwork, acting as your registered agent, and keeping track of important deadlines. And just like that, you now have everything you need to start your Oregon LLC. If you're ready to move forward, head over to simplifyllc.com, where you'll find even more in-depth guides and expert support to make the process even smoother. But before you go, make sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and drop any questions in the comments. We love helping entrepreneurs like you build successful businesses. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.